Hey, what's up today? It's Nicolas here, founder of DesireToTRADE. What I want to show you today is something pretty special. At some point, you're going to get to a place where you don't have any setup to take. Now, I'm just going to take this example of this current pair, the Euro New Zealand dollar. Now, what you can see is that the first thing I usually do is I try to look at support and resistance areas. So what I would do is I would draw them on this chart. So you would have something like this. Obviously, I'm usually looking at higher time frames, meaning I would probably go even on the weekly chart to do them. But the point is, this: at some occasion, you're gonna get to a pair, or you're gonna get to a point where you don't have any setup to take. You're kind of between two limits. Now, the question is, what do you do in that case? A lot of people will try to see what setup they can take at that moment. They would try to go on lower time frame. They would try to, if they're trading on a daily chart, they would try to go on the 4-hour chart or the 1-hour chart to find some setup, to find anything to trade, and they would try to see if there's a trend or if they can enter anywhere to get some money. This is what most people would do. But the thing you have to do when you have no setup is not to go lower and trade. It's not to find other strategies. It's not to look at different way you can trade. It's really to step back from the market, do something different. Now, the best thing you could do for yourself is to get off the market and try to backtest. Meaning, go review your stuff, go review your trading plan, go try your plan, go backtest, either in trading view like this or just MetaTrader, you can just go back and scroll to backtest. Now, it's not trying new stuff, it's really refining the stuff you have right now, refining what you have. Because the point is not to take a lot of setup, it's not to take every single setup you can see and try to make money even when you cannot make money. The point is, you really have to look at what you have, understand what you have, and wait for the perfect setup to come. If your setups are really, really restrictive and they come only a few times per week or per month, that's totally fine, but you have to wait for them. Now, if you try to look at other ways to trade, other like small ways you can trade, other time frames, then you're gonna screw up everything because you're probably gonna confuse everything, and you're gonna have to work on different subjects at the same time. As I said, a lot of traders would just try to see other opportunities. They would go like on a 5-minute chart if they're between two limits on a daily chart, just to get some money, just to look at the trend or whatever, and they would try to trade from this. But this could work only if you have really the experience to trade it. If you don't have the experience, meaning if you've never done it before, if you never backtested before, you better just stick to what you know. Because don't forget that what you know is what brings money. Now the question is, do you want to have fun trading or do you want to make money? Now you can have fun and make money, that's possible. But the point is really that you have to focus on what you want to do, whether it's making money or just playing with trading. Now, I prefer to make money, meaning I'm just gonna, on that pair, step back from the market. I'm not gonna enter any trade just for fun. I'm just gonna wait for my perfect setup. And what I usually do is I put alerts, meaning I would probably put an alert at that level and an alert at that level. So if the price comes back to that level here, the support, I would be probably entering a trade. Now the way you put the alert is just doing this and add an alert right there. Now once price get here, you're gonna get notified either on your mobile device or on TradingView. And then you could put an alert here also if you want to trade support and resistance. Now that all depends what you're trading. Of course, you may not be trading support and resistance areas. If that's the case, then you have to look at something else. If you want more information about this, just check out DesireToTRADE. I've launched a training course pretty recently, and everything is covered in there. So if you want to trade support resistance, if you want to trade all types of trade, it's all covered in there. So if you want more information about this, just let me know. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me on DesireToTRADE.com. You can email me there, and it's going to be my pleasure to help you. Now, if you're going to take that course or if you're going to jump into a trading course, I really want to make sure that it's powerful for you, it's a good fit for you. So let me know before you enroll in and we'll discuss about it. Ciao.